What exactly does it mean when you have filed your annual returns?
Thank you so much, and thank you, our viewers. I say once again, good morning. When we talk of filing of annual returns, it's simply giving you an opportunity as a taxpayer to tell us what have you made in terms of your income in the previous year. Okay. When I mean opportunity, you see, taxation is based on preceding year basis. It's not current. So you have the opportunity to tell the tax authority, as at last year, 2025, this is my income that I've made. These are my expenses. So from these expenses, this is what actually came to me as my own income. So the tax authority, you have the right yourself, if you fill the Form A on their online, which is of course is online, if you fill it, you have the opportunity to tell you this is what I am expected to pay. Okay. However, if you don't do that, we can calculate based on the information you give us. However, you must give us sincere and accurate information pertaining to your income.
Okay, so that is what annual income is about.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Lukman, let me ask you the type of documents and informations that will be needed when you want to file in your annual returns.
Good morning, listeners, once again. You know, there are categories of people who are under obligation to file their return.
Okay.
However, those documents may differ. Depends on the category you belong to.
All right.
We have some people who are employers of labor, who also are under obligation, under section, under section 11, the filing of annual return is regulated and guided by section 11 to 14 of Nigeria Tax Administration Act Law. However, there are category of people. It depends on the category you belong, so that would differ. That would determine the kind of document that will be needed for you to file an annual return. Let me summarize those categories. We have self-employed, employer of labor,
okay,
and we have individuals and we have companies. These categories of entity that are under obligation to file, and let me pick it one after the other.
All right.
For example, for employer of labor, those information and document that you need before you can file an annual return is, number one, you need to get the gross emoluments that were paid to your employees in the preceding year. Also, allowances and benefits in kinds. The total deduction, as well as tax deducted and payee schedule.
You have mentioned 3 things already.
Almost 4 or 5.
Okay, go on.
Can I have a recap? Can I give you? Yes. 1, I said gross emolument.
Okay.
2, allowances and benefits in kind. 3, total deductions.
All right.
4, net emoluments.
All right.
And the 5th one is payee schedule. These are the information that are necessary, that is required before you can file as an employer of labor. Then when I come to the category of individuals, those information and documents that I require as an individual is just 3. I just want to give you those information so that you can easily get it right from there. 1, you need a form that will be duly completed form, and this form will contain annual income declarations that will entails reliefs.
Okay.
It also entails the income you earn from business or professions. It also entails the income you earn from employment, income you have from non-employment. If you are not individual with non-employment, the income you earn will also contain it. And in addition to that, also you have to also submit the tax you have deducted so far or you have paid.
Okay.
Also, it's formed part of the document, and reliefs. When we talk about reliefs, this also entails the contributory pension, NHF, and NHIS.
Okay.
These are the schemes that you need to get information about because you can file as an individual.
You have mentioned so many documents and information.
That is for individuals. You know, initially from the beginning I said there are categories of people, and whichever you belong to will determine the documents or information that you need to file. I gave a detail of somebody who is a self-employed who is in under self-employed category, those documents that is needed, and I just gave that of individual. Now if I move down to those company owners,
Right.
they need one of those documents they needed is financial statement, audited financial statement, that will show, that indicate your statement of financial position, statement that will disclose profit and loss, capital allowance,
coming in and going out.
are you getting, yes, capital allowance,
Right.
as well as those the tax that are deducted, and evidence of those payment of those taxes in the preceding years. Those are the information that are required as a company before you can file. All this information has been listed. They will guide you once you first of all identify where do I belong as a taxable entity or individual.
All right.